Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. Cmat 2023 is round the corner. It is in fact less than 10 days away or approximately 10 days away. For that, we started a daily video series. This is, I guess, 17th or 18th video of that daily video series. Okay, I have lost the count, but then you can go through all these videos. It is going to help you prepare for the important topics of innovation and entrepreneurship and general awareness. We made few videos on logical reasoning topics as well, like clocks and calendars. Okay, and all of this is to help you achieve 300 marks in the exam. Our target is to score 300 marks in the exam. To make your way easy, we are starting with free CMAT workshop. So this free CMAT workshop will be conducted 4 to 6 p.m. on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, which is 25th of April, 27th of April, 29th of April. Okay, if you want to join this free CMAT workshop, connect with us on the number given in the description. We will share the link, Google Meet link with you, and then you can join the video on the given time. Okay, here we will be revising all the concepts in a quick fashion. If you want to join our academy for MBA entrance exam preparation, do connect with us again. Connect with us on the number given in the description of the video. We will help you with all the information, and we provide everything that is needed to help you join your dream baseball. Followed by that, I would recommend that you join our Telegram channel as well. It is a good source to solve all your academic and non-academic doubts. Okay, and your fellow aspirants, those who are preparing for MBA entrance exams, are going to solve your doubts related to colleges or to the concept. Okay, so it is a small community wherein we solve each other's doubt, and prepare for the exam. Also, we put fun quiz or polls in the group so that it helps you learn in a interesting way. Okay, so link for this Telegram channel is in the description of the video. Join the Telegram channel to make your learning easy and fun. Now coming to the topic. So we are talking about the company name and its tagline or catchline or slogan. Okay, so Reliance Industries Limited. We are talking about Reliance Group. Reliance Industries Limited, tagline is growth is life. TCS tagline is geared towards speaking to millennials. HDFC Bank Limited, we understand your world. Infosys, navigate your next. Hindustan Unilever Limited, a treat, pleasure and enjoyment. ICICI Bank Limited, hum hai na. Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited. So this is HDFC Bank and this is HDFC Limited. These are two different entities. Okay, so Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, it is because dreams, growth and progress begin at home. State Bank of India, pure banking, nothing else. Bajaj Finance, there, the more you solve, the more you win. Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, let's make money simple. Ab Kona Kona Kotak. Okay, so these are, some of these are taglines, some of these are catchlines. Okay, Wipro Limited, Spirit of Wipro, Bharti Airtel, Express Yourself, Asian Paints Limited, Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai, HCL Technologies, Supercharging Progress, Mahindra and Mahindra, moving people to rise together. Axis Bank Limited, बढ़ती का नाम जिंदगी, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Way of Life, Avenue Supermarts Limited, which is the parent company of DMart. So its tagline is lowest prices are just the beginning. Larsen and Toubro, it is if not L&T, who will do it? Ultratech Cement, the engineer's choice, है ना? या फिर Ultratech Cement सबसे सस्ता नहीं, सबसे अच्छा क्या है वो? सबसे सस्ता और अच्छा कुछ तो भी है ना, वो इंग्लिश में बोलता है, वो इंडियन फिर फॉरेनर हिंदी में बहुत करता है. ठीक है. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited, fast, fair and friendly. Nestle India Limited, the Good Food, Good Life Company. JSW Steel, better every day. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited, science is at the heart of Sun Pharma. Adani Enterprises Limited, growth is incomplete without goodness. Adani Green Limited, we are committed to create a greener future. Titan Company Limited, what's your style? Tata Steel Limited, leading through legacy. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC Limited, making tomorrow brighter. Coal India Limited, we survive if nature lives. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, good health can't wait. HDFC Life Insurance, Sir Uthake Jio, Divi's Laboratories Limited, striving for leadership through chemistry. Power Grid Corporation of India, power to the people. Pidlite Industries Limited, building bonds. Britannia Industries Limited, exciting goodness. Bajaj Auto Limited, Hamara Bajaj distinctly ahead. Tata Motors Limited, connecting aspirations. Tech Mahindra Limited, we are what we do. Adani Transmission Limited, timeless values, driving growth and prosperity. Okay. Moving forward, Zomato Limited, never have a bad meal. SBI Life Insurance Limited, अपने लिए अपनों के लिए. Dabur India Limited, celebrate life. Berger Paints India Limited, paint your imagination. Vedanta Limited, transforming for good. IndusInd Bank, we care दिल से. We make you feel richer. अपने सोचा हमने किया. IndusInd Bank. DLF Limited, building India. Larsen and Toubro, again, let's solve. Larsen and Toubro को पहले क्या देखा था हमने? If not L&T, who will do it? So one of this will be either a catch line and other one will be the tagline. Okay. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is BPCL, energizing lives. Godrej Consumer Products Limited, let's make goodness. So all these are your taglines of top 50 companies in India. Okay. It is, I mean, imperative that you remember this because there was one question based on taglines in last year's innovation and entrepreneurship section of Cmat exam. So make sure that you remember all of these. थोड़े बहुत और आपकी तरफ से भी आप कोई कंपनीज ध्यान में आती है तो उसका भी आपको नाम लिख के रखना है और उसके टैगलाइन लिख के रखना है so that it is a good, I mean, you have a good source to revise it again. And it is necessary that you make a note of your own, or else it will be waste. I mean, just watching the video is going to waste your time because you are not going to remember it tomorrow. You'll have to revise it again and again to make sure that you remember some of it in the exam. Okay. So, yes, these are the top 50 companies and their taglines or catchlines or slogans. If you have any query, connect with us on any one of these 3 social media platforms or visit our website tarkshastra.co.in. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.